Hi, friends. How are ya? Oh, boy, didn't we have fun at the assembly program? I did. Well, guess what? I'm still asking questions. Investigations matter all the time. My new question is, what makes a fly fly? Oh, I gotta find out. Yeah, brainstorm. And then test. And then look at the results and investigate again and build. Yeah, what questions do you have? Yeah, you gonna tell me? Stay in touch. Yeah, check my email. I can read. Go to nettieandnana@gmail.com. Send your questions. Let's find out together. Yeah, thanks for being a great audience. I love you. You're super cool. Ooh, a fly. There he is. I gotta go. I gotta brainstorm. I love you. Bye, friends. Oh, there's another one.